Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is October 19th. We've got the grain markets, though, well, they're kind of setting back a little bit. Corn needs to stay above this 350 level. We're sitting at 351. Well, if we do drop below that and we continue to see some harvest pressure, I had a phone call this morning from a guy who was telling me that as they dive further into corn, their yields are fantastic. I continue to hear good yields out there for corn. Certain areas might be disappointing, but certainly made up in other areas. And so the weather over the next week looks very good in order to get this corn harvested and continue to push through harvest. So we'll see how that or how the markets react with some harvest pressure. But beans kind of choppy back and forth. They settled unchanged overnight. We did have another sale this morning to China, but nothing major. We have seen some good sales for both corn and beans, and we've gotten a little bit of a bounce. But is this bounce sustainable? Can we stay at these levels, or will we see harvest pressure take over and we get a push back down near these lows once again? So we need to be very careful with these grain markets right now. Looking at some of these other markets, you've got cattle that have tried to rally. We're sitting near $1 for that December. Can we get above that dollar mark again and stay above it in order to get the bulls back in the market again and try to run this thing higher? Hogs are still trying to find a bottom, chopping in about a $2 and $2.50 range. We'll see if we can finally put that low in. Seasonally, we tend to rally this time of year for hogs. We're not getting that push. And so a lot of the outside markets, though, staying on edge with an election coming up. We've got the stock market that's kind of choppy. Crude oil higher today. But give us a call. We're here to help you. 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Have a great day.